What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video And in today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your First National Bank's online banking account. And with that said, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos just like this. And let's move on with the video without any further ado. First step, search for First National Bank online login and then click on the first link over here. It will bring you to this website, and over here click on versus login, and over here you want to enter your user ID and then you want to enter the password of your account. After you do that, just click on login and you should be able to log in into your First National Bank's online banking account. That's simple. So hope you guys were able to understand, and if you guys did, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel app tutorial for future videos just like this. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye until then everybody. Have a nice day.